What does Yiddish mean to you?
Yiddish means alter Heim, means family, means remembering sweet things, remember school years. Because I did learn it, well, I didn't learn English. I went to Yiddish class when I was in high school here, but the teacher, Shoshana Bergman, let me answer in Spanish because I didn't have the language. And I was really fascinated. Things that I never heard about the Jewish history in Europe. I never heard that. I only have history in Israel or biblical history. And for me, it's remembering good moments, good times.